Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. Today we are making Mother's Day mimosas and we are making 3 kinds. So stick to the end because the third one is a doozy. The first mimosa that we are making today is your traditional mimosa, as many would say, which consists of any kind of bubbly that you like, champagne, prosecco, sparkling wine, and some orange juice. Now you guys know, if you've seen my show before, that I don't usually measure in the kitchen unless I have to with baking. But when it comes to mimosas, I find that a lot of people make the mimosa not to my standards. Too much orange juice. So, my friends, the correct amount of orange juice for a mimosa is a tablespoon. Even that might be a little too much, but that's how I like it. So, a little bit of orange juice goes into the bottom of your champagne flute. We top it up with bubbly. Don't let those bubbles go over the glass. Be patient, go slow. It'll all be worthwhile. Oh yes. And that is your traditional mimosa. If you want to prettify it a little bit, I recommend throwing in a couple berries. Ooh, look, they float on the top. And it just makes it really pretty for Mother's Day or for any day or tomorrow morning, whenever. Okay. That one goes off to the side. Let's go on to our second Mother's Day mimosa. And again, if you want to do this for Mother's Day, that's awesome, but you can also do it any day of the week. So, for my second mimosa, I have a little bit of pink lemonade. Again, maybe a tablespoon, but I'm going to go a little bit more because I want that beautiful pink color to come out into this mimosa, but I also want that kind of lemony, citrusy flavor when we make our lemonade mimosa. So same thing, we're gonna top it up. Oh, it's a small bottle. That is not enough. I need to open another one. No problem, because in the Silly Kitchen, I'm stocked on these things. Okay, but do you see now? The color of this mimosa is not pink enough for me. I can tell already. I want it to be pink, so I'm adding a little bit more. And then the finishing touch, because we have to pour it to the top of the glass. Maybe I've already had a few mimosas. Champagne flutes are not very big, so we want to put those all the way up to the top for Mama. And garnish is really important. It's pretty. It showcases that there's a lemon flavor to this mimosa. And you are ready with your lemonade mimosa. And we are moving right along to our third mimosa. As you may notice, I put a little bit of ice in a glass, not into a champagne flute. This is gonna be a little bit, like I said, a doozy. Now, if you're like me, or like my mom, I love her so much that I wanna give her just a little extra for Mother's Day. And to me, that means a little extra booze. So, this mimosa is going to be so much fun. We need an ounce of your favorite tequila. Whew. We're gonna pour that. You see me shaking my shot glass like I can get more out of it. I'm so silly. The next thing we need is freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. So I actually took half a grapefruit, squeezed it into here with all the little pulps and everything. This is a really, really, really nice flavor. Now we're gonna go about 3/4 of the way, maybe almost halfway. Yeah, let's go, because it's kind of skinnier of a glass on the bottom, so let's go halfway with the grapefruit juice. I have half of a lime. I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit of lime juice. You don't need a lot, just a little hint. So that's gonna go in there. And what are mimosas made of? Some bubbly. So that, now we're gonna top up all the way to the top of the glass. Whoop, 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 whoop. Oh my gosh, this one might be my favorite one. And then in order to garnish it, I saved a little piece of grapefruit. And because it has lime in it as well, I'm just gonna put a lime wedge on the top there as well. Tequila, bubbly, grapefruit, and lime. So happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mamas out there, especially my mama. I love you, and I will be making you some cocktails that will make your Mother's Day a little doozy and boozy. Cheers to a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed these 3 recipes for mimosas. I'm gonna go drink all 3 of them now, probably starting with this one. Oh, yeah. Cheers to you and your moms. Till next time.